The Bob Mills Weather Center, meteorologist Kendall Smith.
Well, did you enjoy the 80s this past weekend? It was fantastic. We were in the low 80s yesterday for afternoon highs, but unfortunately, we are not going to see the 80s return at all this week. So a much cooler week is on the way for us. Temperatures will hover in the 50s and 60s all week long, so you are definitely going to need to have that jacket on hand. So your yard work forecast, you look to be good to go today, as well as on Tuesday. We're still nice. We are dealing with a storm system that will move in later tonight, but then it'll be out of here by tomorrow afternoon. And then Wednesday, you are good. Just a spotty shower possible as this next storm system slides into the area Wednesday night that will linger into Thursday morning. But then finally by Thursday afternoon, you're good to go, all ahead of the next storm system. So it's just a roller coaster ride of precipitation as well as temperatures as we head into the next 7 days. But right now, clear skies out in downtown Tulsa, and temperatures are currently coming in at 63 degrees. Winds are a little bit breezy out there out of the north-northeast at 15 miles an hour, and they will continue to increase. They could gust near 25 miles an hour today, so it is going to be a very breezy day. And humidity is at 38%, and our dew point is sitting at 37. So all across the state, it just depends on your location for how warm we are. So we're in the 60s, low 60s here in the metro, but then in southeast Oklahoma, those folks are in the 70s. So low 70s in Poto, upper 70s down along the Red River near Idabel, and then off west in the Panhandle, they're in the 50s. So that's all thanks to this stationary boundary that has stalled across the area. So temperatures are going to be in the upper 70s this afternoon in southeast Oklahoma, and a little bit cooler for us here in the metro, upper 60s, and then low to mid 60s if you live up to the north and west of Tulsa, and especially on into southeast Kansas as well. So we also are tracking some showers and thunderstorms as we head into the next several days, all in association with this stalled boundary. So tonight, those showers and thunderstorms will really increase as we head into the overnight time frame, and then we'll drop those chances off by Tuesday afternoon. We are good to go, but then one more round comes in Tuesday night into Wednesday, and then we drop those chances off afternoon on into the overnight time frame on Wednesday night. So you can kind of see how this trend is shaping up. It's a lot of overnight storm systems that will be sliding through green country. So our storm zone for tonight, it's also just situated in far southeast Oklahoma. Our greatest threats are going to include damaging winds and the potential for some small hail. So we are going to have our storm trackers out later this afternoon and evening just to make sure that these storms don't get too rowdy on us. So on future view, you can see those showers and thunderstorms starting to bubble up roughly around 8 p.m. So they will become more widespread as we head into the overnight time frame. So by 10 o'clock, we are seeing this along into the south of I-40, and these are going to have little pockets of heavier cells within them. And then by the early morning hours, we start to lift this system off to the east. Temperatures start off in the mid to upper 40s and low 50s in most locations. And then by tomorrow afternoon, partly sunny skies are on the way for us, and temperatures are in the mid 60s, all ahead of that next round of showers and storms that will slide into the area by Tuesday afternoon and evening. So you can kind of see the trend that we are on as we head into the next several days. So just make sure to enjoy today. Afternoon highs will top on the upper 60s. Our clouds will increase, and we will have breezy winds out there. And then by 9 p.m. we are in the low 60s, mild with mostly cloudy skies. And then by midnight, mid 50s, cool with some scattered storms, especially to the south and east. So then we'll continue this trend right on into the remainder of the work week as temperatures will hang out in the 50s and 60s with multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms.